Hi, thank you for clicking on the video, and I hope everyone is doing really well. So today is October 1st, but of course this video is not going to come out October 1st. It'll come out sometime later this month, or maybe next month. Who knows? It is October 1st, which means fall is officially here, and October is a great month because Halloween. Because the season of autumn is upon us, fall is here. Today I will be doing a what I ate in a day video. It was gonna be autumn themed, but it kind of just turned into like pumpkin spice themed because I'm a basic white girl. I do not like pumpkin spice lattes. I don't even particularly like pumpkin spiced things other than pumpkin pie. So today, basically, I'm trying to make pumpkin pie flavored things. This intro was not planned, so I have no idea what I'm saying. I'm just gonna get right into breakfast, which you'll see what it is in a second. Surprise, surprise, pumpkin spice is going to be featured, as well as some other fall autumn themed things. Oh, I should have gotten apple cider. Maybe I'll have to go get some. Maybe. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you do not enjoy it, you can give it a thumbs down. That is cool too. I don't mind. If you are not subscribed already, maybe consider subscribing and hit that notification bell to be notified of all future uploads. And as always, thank you so much to everyone who has subscribed thus far. I really do appreciate it, so thank you tons. If you have any comments, questions, video suggestions, anything at all, feel free to leave that in the comment section below. Be sure to go follow me over on Instagram, and let's get into this day of eating. I'll do a physique update because weirdos like to see that. So this one's for you, weirdos. So this is what I look like. Okay, now you've seen me. Maybe I'll remember to do it at the end. So for breakfast, I made some pumpkin pie protein oats. So what it is oats with a couple of scoops of protein powder, the cinnamon cookie from Nutrex, and then also some of the Orgain vanilla bean protein powder, and then 2 scoops of pumpkin pie filling. And then on top, I've got some canned apple pie filling, super processed and lots of sugar and cornstarch and high fructose corn syrup and all that scary stuff. So I've got some of that apple pie filling there, pumpkin spice on top, and then some tahini, because fats are a fear food of mine. So that is going to be my breakfast. So it's a little bit later in the day and I'm making a little snack. And so what I made is I have 2 pieces of toast here that are kind of burnt. In fact, they're really burnt. And then I mixed together some pumpkin pie filling with some pumpkin spice and then some sunflower butter. And that is going to be my snack. Oh my gosh. If it wasn't for the burnt toast, this would be like absolutely amazing. But the spread that I made, oh my, it is so good. And then for dinner, I made a spaghetti squash and I tossed the strands of spaghetti squash in a pumpkin pie and hummus mixture. It was not horrible. Garlic does make everything better. And then I finished off the day with this pumpkin seed flax granola. And this is what the human body looks like after a full day of eating. Yup, there you go. There you go.